Hello friends, it's the Sealy G. Mudd Library at Lawrence University, and today we are going to take a look at e-journals. We're going to see how you can find them within OneSearch, browse for them, search for them, and access them while you are doing your research off campus. We're starting off here, as always, at the library's homepage, and you may be familiar with this OneSearch box here on our homepage. Today we are going to click on the Advanced Search link to bring us into the larger OneSearch and Library Catalog portal. This is where you can put in search terms if you're looking for a specific article. Within OneSearch, you can find books, articles, and other e-resources. And when you search within the Library Catalog, you will find simply the physical items that we have available within the library. Today, however, we're going to focus on these links that appear at the top. So you can see links for New Search, Ask a Librarian, Interlibrary Loan, and Browse. We also had another video that focused on these databases, A to Z. If you click on that, it will take you to a link out to our databases and that list. And I encourage you to look at our other video on how to utilize those databases. We're going to take a look at the e-journals today, and if we click on this link, we will be able to find e-journals that we subscribe to by title. We can search for them here, or we can take a look at this alphabetical list, and we can browse by title. So we will search for titles starting with D, and you can see the list that we get. We do recommend that in order to get access to everything that we have available to you, that you sign in, and you will sign in as a student, faculty, or staff, and sign in with your Lawrence University username and password. That will ensure that you're seeing all of the e-journals that we have access to, and also ensure that whenever necessary, the site will automatically authenticate you. So we will take a look at one of these. If you find a journal that you want to search within, you can simply click on that record. It will bring you into another page that will have links under this View It tab. And this will contain multiple databases or multiple instances of our holdings depending on where they are. You can take a look at what dates we have available by paying attention to this Available From field right here. So you can see that the coverage is pretty much the same for this item, with the exception of what we have in the JSTOR early journal content, which is going to give you coverage from 1846 to 1922. So make sure you pay attention to that and click on the database that is going to give you access to the years that your research requires. And when you find the one that you want, you can click on the link to the database. It's going to open in a new window, and if necessary, you will need to authenticate with your username and password again. We will do that here quickly so that you can see what the database then looks like. And here we are, and looking at Daedalus, this publication, we can take a look at various years, volumes, and issues. If you believe that we have access to a journal and you are not able to search articles within it, or you're not able to get access to a particular article, please let us know. Contact a reference librarian, tell us what problem you're having, and we will take a look and make sure that you're supposed to be able to access that. So always let us know whenever you're having trouble finding something specific. So do feel free to go ahead and go into OneSearch and browse these e-journals, search for titles and see what we have available to you. Most of these should be available off campus. If you have any problems connecting to any of these, please let us know. Drop a line in the chat or send us an email. We're here to help, and we're ready to assist you in any way that you need. So enjoy finding these e-journals at your next visit to our website, and we will talk to you soon, and happy researching.